My colleague Anushka, in fact, has sent us this report. She's reported from Faridabad, from a mosque whose construction the police have now, they are suspecting that the construction of this mosque was being funded via Hawala channels and is linked to the white-collar terror module. Take a look at this report.
The investigation regarding the 10/11 Red Fort blast has been intensifying. We are right now in the Dhauj area of Faridabad at the construction site of a mosque. Now what the sources are saying is that this mosque was being constructed by Maulana Ishtiyaq, but the money was being funded by Muzammil, who is right now one of the prime suspect in this case. Maulana Ishtiyaq is under the NIA's custody and is being questioned as to what his role was in this particular white terror module that has been spread, and we are seeing multiple arrests that has been made. More than 15 doctors are arrested in this case, and this is the mosque that is under construction. It was being constructed by Maulana Ishtiyaq, but the money was put in by Muzammil. Also, what the agencies believe is that this was being funded by Hawala channels. All those Hawala channels are right now being investigated by the NIA. The Hawala operators are right now under the custody, but this is the spot where Muzammil was giving religious teachings to the students few days back before this whole scam, this whole conspiracy came came outside, and the whole conspiracy hash, and we saw the blast that shook the heart of Delhi. And we are showing you the visuals of the under construction masjid that was being constructed by Ishtiyaq, who is being questioned by the NIA and was being funded by the prime suspect Muzammil, who is also a senior doctor in Al Falah University. This place is merely 700 meters away from the Al Falah University, and we have just shown you the visuals of the under construction masjid where few days ago NIA had raided this place and have taken Ishtiyaq into custody, while the prime suspect Muzammil is still being questioned as to how they plan to hatch such a big blast in the heart of the national capital. With camera person Kamal Kant, this is Anushka Garg for NDTV.